If you've been looking for a natural way to fight dull skin, dark spots, or uneven tone, this is for you. So let's jump right in and he'll show you how to make it step by step. Start by adding your yogurt to a clean bowl. Add the turmeric powder, just a little goes a long way. Squeeze in the lemon juice and orange juice. The vitamin C helps brighten the skin. Add the honey, it's a natural humectant and helps soothe the skin. Mix everything together until it forms a smooth, creamy paste using clean fingers or a brush. Gently apply the mask to your face, avoiding your eyes. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. You might feel a slight tingle from the citrus, that's normal. After 15 minutes, rinse it off with warm water and pat your face dry. Follow up with your favorite moisturizer. And that's it. If you try it, let me know in the comments how it worked for you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to TashaTV, and share with your friends who love natural skincare. See you in the next video, and stay glowing.